You need beads, string, scissors, and you need one of these. This is 4 things. Count to 4 at me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hooray! We did it! I'm gonna make my bracelet pink and purple with gold string. Now I'm going to make my mom a bracelet. Her favorite color is green. I'm making her a green bracelet. The bracelets I made today. I love them so much.
I love it.
And it's a green one, a blue one, a pink and purple one. Which one do you like best? Leave a comment below. That's all for today. Don't forget